Hi, this is George Boole. Let's talk about dictionaries. Dictionaries in Python map keys to values. In PHP, they call that an associative array. Let's see what that literally means. Let's say I want to create a structure that maps English language values to Spanish values. Very simple example. N equals, open curlies, 1, colon. Now notice the 1 is in single quotes. Now I want to write 1 in Spanish. Here's how you make an error. Single quote, uno, and then forget to put that other single quote. And error. Oops, let's do that again. N equals, open curlies, single quote, 1, single quote, colon, single quote, uno, single quote, comma. So English, we say 1. Spanish, I say uno. This is what a dictionary does. It maps a key to a value. The first one is called the key. The second one is called the value. I hit enter. The next one I key in will be 2, colon, and in Spanish that's dos, and a comma. Notice the key and the value are both enclosed within single quotes. Next one, 3, colon, tres, comma. Now the next one I'll key in is 4. 4, colon, and single quote. Now I'm going to spell this incorrectly. I think it's 1T, and I'm going to correct that momentarily. And I close off the curlies, I hit enter, and now I've got myself a dictionary called N. If I key in letter N, hit enter, I see all the values. Wow. Now I want to access my values individually. I want to see what 2 is in Spanish. So let's see here. This is the 1th element and the 2th element. That's how we did it with lists. That's how we accessed them with lists in the past. Let's see if that's the same way you do that with dictionaries. The answer is no, it is not. And we're about to get into trouble. Oh, it's not 2, it's TWO now. To access what this fellow means, which is this guy, I have to access the key. But this is the key, not the number 2. The actual key here is TWO. Alright, let's try that again. So I key in N, square brackets, and 2. Will this work? I think we're about to have trouble. Yes, we are. So in order to key that in the right way, we key in the name of the dictionary, N, and then the target key, which is 2, which is enclosed within single quotes. Close squares, hit enter, and now we can see the value associated with the key 2 is dos. N, hit enter, and we can see for ourselves here in the listing that 2 equals dos in Spanish. Well, what about 3? Well, if we can do 2's, we can do 3's. N, what key do you want to see the translation for? I want to see the translation for 3. Close squares and hit enter, and we get tres. Notice the lack of order here. Here's 1, 2, but then what happened to 3? 3 is now down here. So it's not absolutely certain the order in which this will be displayed to you. Welcome to dictionaries. Now as I look at this, I hit N, I hit enter. I realize my big mistake. Oh my goodness, I forgot. I did not put in 5. I made such a big mistake. Let's fix that now. So I key in N, square brackets, 5, single quotes, close square brackets, will be equal to cinco. Single quotes, I hit enter. If I key in N and hit enter now, you'll see that I have 5, cinco, 1, 2, 4, and 3. Oh my goodness, I've made a spelling error. 4 and quattro. Quattro should have one T, I do believe. So how do I repair that? In square brackets. Now I put in the key value, which is 4. I'm going to assign that the value of quattro. This quattro will get assigned not to here, the 4, but to its associated value, quattro. Here we go. Time to test our work. Key in N, hit enter, and as you can see, 4 is now associated with quattro 1t. Now to finish this off, just as you can create an empty list, EL, empty list, equals square braces, 2 square braces, so too you can create empty dictionaries. ED, empty dictionary, equals curlies, close curlies, and enter. Now, empty list, empty dictionary, there they are. Now, can you get away with this? Empty list equals square brackets, space, square brackets, hit enter. EL, there you go. It removes the empty space. Can you do that with an empty dictionary? Let's see. ED equals open curlies, space, close curlies. Now that looks like an empty dictionary. Hit enter, ED, and there it is. So Python automatically gets rid of that empty space. Well, that's all I want to talk with you about today. This is George Boole. I want to thank you for listening. If you enjoyed the video, please rate it. I'd appreciate that. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye-bye now.